Welcome back, my amazing learners. Let us continue learning about digital citizenship. Our topic for today is let's give credit. Now, I know that some of you associate a different meaning to the word credit, but today we're going to learn what it means in this context. Let's give credit. So we have a new band coming together, and it says on August 12th, 2019, the Digital Citizens had their very first concert. They are a band of 6 members and love to perform all over the world. Respect. So we're going to find out what it means to give credit. How can you give credit for other people's work? So now we're getting close to what we're really talking about. How can you give credit for other people's work? Now, this storybook was written by someone else, Helen Nolan. I didn't write this book. So if I use anything from this book, I need to give credit to Helen and acknowledge that she is the person who wrote this book. So that is a part of what it means to give credit. But how? How can you give credit for other people's work? Credit means giving recognition to a person that created something. For example, somebody wrote a book, drew some pictures, sang a song, wrote the lyrics for a song. We need to acknowledge and give recognition to the person that created that thing. Respect. What does respect mean? Respect is showing that you appreciate someone. How to give credit? You give credit by making a record of the author, the title, and the website. So if I went on a website and I got some information from that website, I need to write down or have a record of who wrote it, what the title is, and the name of the website. So when you see the word author, it means the name of the person who produced that information, that wrote that information. So you give credit by making sure that you show appreciation and recognition to the author, you show the title of the work, and you show the website of the work, where you got the work from. Here is an example of a website, www.sports.olympicgames.com. And here we have some information there and a video. So say you got information from this website. The 3 pieces of information that you're going to make sure that you write down or you record is the author's name, Layla Conrad. The second piece of information, you need to write down the title, Olympic Sports. And then the third piece of information is the website. And remember, there is the website right there. So author, title, website. Here is another example. Who is the author for this article? Jay Gomez is the author. So you have to make sure that you have that. What's the title? What's the name of the website? Here's another example. You don't see a person's name as the author, but there is an association, a group of people called the National Birding Association. So they could be acknowledged as the author of this article. What's the website? What's the title? Remember the 3 pieces of information that you need to give credit: author, title, website. Author, title, website. Keep that in mind, children, because a lot of times you do your assignments, you do your projects, and sometimes you don't acknowledge who or where you got the information from. So remember, any activity that I give you here, the link is there for you to get the exact thing, the exact instructions and everything. Just follow the link from Happy Faces Academy, and it will link to the lesson and all the resources for the lesson, whether it's a coloring book, a handout, something for you to draw, something for you to complete, the videos that you watched, everything is there for you on the website. So here it says, school report directions. You are doing a school report on a musical group called the Digital Citizens. You gathered all of your information from 3 different websites. 1, review the websites and complete the report. 2, be sure to give credit for the information you used. How do we give credit again? We need 3 pieces of information to give credit. Try to list those 3 pieces of information below without looking back, just to see if you remember what they are. One begins with A, the other one begins with T, and the other one begins with W. Pause and think moment. You can draw, what does giving credit look like? And you can write, why is giving credit for the information you find on the internet the right thing to do? And children, remember, I can't wait to see your responses. I love to know that my students are understanding and learning something new every single day. So see you soon. Bye for now.